So, good afternoon guys, I'm gonna make this chicken noodle soup right here. I'm gonna water ready to heat up. So just open it like half, there's a line, open half, into the two bags inside. Put them in, right here. So right here, there are two bags are inside. So now, just wait the water to heat up. It should be boiled, but I don't like it to be boiled because I burn my lips. I don't want to do that. So I'm just waiting for it to heat up. Amke's kitchen. Whoa. Just leftovers, guys. Right here. A bit more. Should be fine. So now put it in. Beautiful. So now what you do is you take a fork. So as I've said, take a fork, put it like so, and then just wait. It says on here the water should be boiled, but then you wait for 3 minutes. So right here, I'm gonna wait for a bit longer, you know. So right here in the water, and let's have a look. Here it is. Beautiful. Now, just wait for a bit longer. That's because the water is not boiled. And it's gonna be good, beautiful. Amke's kitchen, guys. So right here, let's have a look again. And does it look? Oh, it looks much better. I think just a bit longer, and I'm gonna eat. This is a snack for me. So right here, guys, that's now ready. So now just so stir it through. Nice and easy. Amke's snack. So guys, this is a snack for me. So right here. That should be fine. Thank you guys for watching. See you later.